Hi there, Skip here, and join me for a 5-minute supercharged blast of yoga. So going back to front supports, going all the way through to upward dog, pushing down through those hands, extending back into downward dog, breathing deep in this position. One leg comes forward to pigeon lunge, looking all the way up, soft eyes, soft forehead, extending your hands in front to release tension from that hip, all the way back to downward dog. And other leg comes forward to pigeon lunge, looking all the way up and relax all the way forward. Enjoy breathing this breath in as you go back to downward dog. And jumping forward, inhale, hands all the way up, extend all the way back down. And now we're going to go into some little balance, lifting up, pull it up, all the way up. Beautiful. And change legs to the other side as we go down. Coming all the way up now. Reverse swallow dive all the way up, bringing up the other leg, going into Y scale, making sure that you've got this balance locked in. Beautiful. Beautiful. Inhale, hands all the way up. Exhaling and relaxing into the body. Taking a nice, beautiful breath in. We go down to our knees and we're going to go straight into headstand. This is for advanced, so legs all the way up. Breathe in this position. Open the legs to straddle. Soles of the feet come together. Breathing in this position. Remember, your body is your temple, and what makes the body weak is decreased workload. We're supercharging ourselves up. Come all the way down. Beautiful. Step to the front of the mat, and we're just going to do some simple little rolls now. Rolling all the way back, all the way up to stand. Beautiful. Enjoy playing with your body. Play with this now. Have fun with this now. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Just shaking out any tension in the body. Just going into some nice loose twists. Having a look around your environment, wherever you're at right now. Really taking life in. Extending the neck, pushing down, getting rid of tension on the neck, hands up, stretching over to one side, hands all the way up, stretching over to the other side. Beautiful. All the way down, just folding those arms, just rocking from side to side. Beautiful. Just breathing in this position. Pulling on the backs of the legs, extending all the way up, stretching up nice and tall, and really just hugging and crossing your arms now, relaxing those shoulders. Beautiful, beautiful. And finding your center, finding your balance, always tuning into your inner world. Let's go one leg back. Basic balance. Beautiful. You've got this locked in. Wait, and sometimes you're going to fall over. You know what you do? You smile and you get back up. Beautiful. Other leg comes up. This is not about being perfect. It's about doing it. Just doing it and doing it and doing it. That's the key. And having fun doing it. So important that you bring a fun attitude when you start exercising, so you get back to exercising like you did when you was a kid, and it was natural. So now we're going to go slightly advanced. Hands are going to go down, and we're going to do a lift up to handstand. This beautiful 5-minute supercharged blast is epic. Hands going all the way down, lifting all the way up to handstand. Beautiful. Coming all the way down. And again, do what you can. If you can only do this on your head, or you need to back up against a wall, go for it. Or if you have to jump, then go for it. But the most important thing is to just go for it. Beautiful. So there you go. That's a supercharged 5-minute blast of yoga. Well done for connecting to the power that is within you. So just having your hands forward now, we're going to take a nice breath in, hands come back to our heart center, and we're just going to breathe into your amazing body. Follow the breath in and follow the breath out. Beautiful.